但是我现在碰到一个大问题了。My cutter had a problem. This is my plan. I want to cut this slab off and cut the rest of them into pieces. 我必须要把这边切掉，然后呢，每一块1英寸。所以我该怎么办呢？A handmade cutter. I'm going to modify it so that I can use it to fulfill my goal. I have a string, a wire to use like a cutter. So I have to make it here and fix the height. And when the soap goes through, it will cut the soap into 2 pieces that I want. Okay, so I find a driller. So now I got the string, I got the screw. Okay, so now we let the wire go through the gap. So we need to cut a gap here. Okay, so same thing, we drill a hole here. Okay, so now we will try to cut our soap. So cardboard as a sliding board. Okay, yeah, not bad.